It's the cars and the clothes and the drinks and the girls and the drugs. I get lost in the light. I get lost in these Miami nights, Miami nights, Miami nights. I get lost in these Miami nights, Miami nights, Miami nights. I get lost in these Miami nights. When the sun falls
Hello traders, welcome to episode 233, repeating of course, TO with me, Mitch Ray. Could be doing anything, but you're here on a Friday freaking night. Hope you enjoyed that song. That is throwback from this show. That goes back, man, and that reminds me of like April, right? During those 420 times. Holy crap, man. We used to play that synth wave. Anyone remember that? Back before we changed it up to some progressive house. We used to have the synth wave all the freaking time. So, hope that brought back some nostalgia for some of you longer term viewers. While we look at Bitcoin on a Friday night, I mean, are these episodes really anything but novelty? Because, like, dude, the trading desks around the world are closed. Okay. There's very little volume on the weekend, like all the time. And we're just going sideways. Once the weekend ended, we were just literally in the past. I don't even know what to tell you, man. All day, just about all freaking day, we've done nothing. We've had a swing low of 38.68 up to 4,015. That's literally it. This small little trading range, probably good for 5-minute traders, I guess, but not great for us swing traders, right? Just nothing. Okay, so yeah, weird, man. Talking to Patreon with this channel, just the interesting thing that really isn't that big a deal. 1, 2, 3 candles, they all closed within the channel, but I think this last one just closed outside just because you're going sideways, right? So below the 20 MA, below the 50 MA, and of course below the 200 MA. Can't even see it on the screen. It's so pathetic. Here's our 200 MA. 200 MA back on the 4-hour, 54.49. My God. Extremely bearish type of stuff. Okay. Hey man, we're below all 3 MAs. That's really bad. That's really bearish. Okay. Impulse down. We probably retraced 33% of the way on episode 233, Kevin. But you know, that's the extent. 4,400 is as high as we've gotten so far. I mean, people are saying, "Hey, let's go short. Let's go short." It would be really nice to have more evidence to believe we would be breaking down. Like, I get it. There was like very, very mild bearish divergence here, but you'd like to see like maybe over the weekend, I don't know, we go sideways, maybe in the weekend, Saturday, we actually run up some, right? We run up, maybe double top, make a higher high, maybe hit those areas, make that lower level of positive momentum than our previous level, and then we could get for real like awesome looking bearish divergence on the MACD. And then that could set the tone for a really nice addition to our shorts that are already open on not just Bitcoin but others like Ethereum, right? That would just makes it easier, right? Because you want coinciding variables. You don't just want to be shorting because you feel we're breaking down, right? You want to short because you're seeing so much overwhelming evidence on the chart that it's a great time to go short. So no real strong divergence on the 4-hour. You know, you see what I'm saying? Like this, like down here, we had reason to believe really good, overwhelming evidence, right? The triple RSI bullish divergence, the MACD bullish divergence. We had triple MACD bullish divergence on Bitfinex, right? I mean, and then you had the double bottom pattern to boot, man. You had all these variables, right? We had lower levels of volume on our third impulse down, lower than this one and this one. So just a lot of stuff, right? At a critical area of support. I could go on all day, man, about the coinciding variables that gave us reason to believe going long here was not the worst idea in the world. From the entry, we went up like $800, right? I mean, so going short here, it's not that great of an idea. It's not like, where's your evidence? Where's the evidence? It's all about the evidence and the arguing with other analysts on why it's the best opportunity to go short here, okay? I'm just saying. I know we're in a bear market. I know. We just wanted to see better retraces with more evidence. Okay, that's it. Sorry, kind of going on about that, but I think it's good to always discuss with swing trading, not just going with one variable, one thing to make a decision, right? You want a multitude of things that all say the same thing to us, right? Okay, anyway, thanks for the 123 people here. Steak Turner says rock and roll tide. That's right, dude. See you tomorrow at 3:30 Eastern. Let's be kings, man. Let's Speak Kings. Roll Tide. Crypto Stang. What's up, dude? Depend. P. Miller. Matrix M. Crypto Stang, is that a joint? No, I don't believe so. Okay. Oops. Holy crap, man. I'm embarrassed, man. I forgot to clear my jar. I felt weird. Like it matters anyway, but I forgot to clear my jar from the day stream. I'm gonna try to do that real quick. It doesn't take long. It's like 2 seconds, but Stream Elements is really slow. I guess their system, I don't know, their infrastructure, their website or something is terrible. Okay, we're good now. Alright, whatever. Now we can start the show. Okay. Wait. Alright, man. Hey, Landcap, what's going on, dude? A lot of people come in your area tomorrow. Over 100,000 plus people. 200,000 plus people will be rolling in to Atlanta, hot Atlanta. Did you make it on time, or is this the end? This is the end, Dan Stylus. This is the end. You were screwed. Okay. Is the song saying 589? When you said that, I saw it, and I started singing it. It's like Miami Nights. 589. I was like, oh my god, I was singing to that, dude. So yeah, it sounded like it. Damn, man, seriously. Sideways Kangs, indeed, Crypto Stang, exactly. Lanka, who's ready for 2K? Well, hey, man, we're all ready, I guess, but maybe we're not quite ready to get there yet. All right. What's up, Dennis Perry? Inverse Beanie Baby, Matthew McConaughey. Hey, Tom, exactly, Crypto Stang. You read my mind. What's up, Ibrahim? Should kill, man. Good to see you. Boom. Member. Hello, Lee K. Mr. Matani. Welcome. Chris Wynn said, the XRPG this month. What's up, dude? Edward Park. P. Miller says 2,800 breaks, then 10,000, or 1,050, excuse me. No, I think 1,300, 1,200 are reasonable supports, P. Miller, I believe, based on looking at I think we have it plotted. 1950 is a small one, then 1371 is another one. So I don't even have to zoom out to see it, man. We just plotted it, done a billion times, right? So we got, but hey, guess what, P. Miller? How about we have to break 3,500 first? Okay, can't get ahead of ourselves, right? Can't do it. Don't look ahead to 1,300 or even 3,000. See, people looked ahead. How many people looked ahead to 3,000? They ignored the oscillators, they ignored the variables, they ignored all that, right? And guess what? A lot of people got wrecked because they were shorting after losing $3,000 of value in a 2-week period based on nothing. They just, see what I'm saying? Mad Carlo, I'm glad you're back, man. What's up, Mike D? Burns 420. Oh my god, damn, I'm a list of the hour Jesus people, man. I can't believe Northwestern is playing Ohio State. Hey, go Northwestern. What are they, the Wildcats? Let's see Ohio State lose. It'd be hilarious, dude. Who would not laugh at that? Chris Rock's in the house. We have a cameo. Oh my god, it's Chris Rock, man. Oh, Sandwich, I'm sorry to hear that you went long last night. The area to go long was at the bottom, where everyone was scared. The potential double bottom with all the variables, right? That was the area. We discussed the best areas. Not here. Not here. You've already committed to your short. All right, Dennis. Good. Best of luck to you. All right. If you say you committed to your short, what would be the reason literally for it? Let me know. Eventually, I don't think 3,500 would hold. Hey, Steven Stan, man, me too, kind of, me too. But we got to let it play out, man. And that's the whole beauty of it, right? The prediction, you cut out the predictions. We don't have to worry about it, man. We don't have to worry about, because it's slow time scales, man. We got all day to talk about and think about where we might be going. But we'll just use the evidence on the charts, right? Oh my god, man. Oh my god, Landcap, it's you, dude. Holy crap. What's up, Tom? Cat? Shirley Lewis, hello? We can just kick it in chat? Yeah, let's kick it in chat, man. Sorry, I'm just getting through this. Alright, man.
BTC wrecked, but $20 is $20. Can you look at him at?
Applied Materials, man. S&P 500, of course. No one's ever asked about Applied Materials, man. Holy crap. Yeah. AMAT. Sweet, man. Thank you, Rob R, man, for the $20 contribution, dude. Much love, man. You know, while we're at this, I guess we can just go ahead and go on over to our new and improved, or I guess less improved, whatever you want to call it, our other screen, man. Boom. Not too great, right? Not too great, but we got Ripple in the bottom right, which this is not updated. We did update it. We had Tim Robbins, awesome guy, in our chat. They said, hey, Ray, Devil's Advocate, could that also be a channel on Ripple? What?
First, please. Finally, the targets, are we setting up to get killed, or are we finally finishing out the rounding of the bottom on burst?
Yeah, Travis, man, thanks for the 777 repeating course. Let me turn up my OBS. I think it's down. It's way too quiet. Give me a sec. Audio, my mixer. Is it too quiet? Yeah, it's way too quiet. My bad. Okay, it's getting drowned out. All right, we're good now. Okay, oh, and that music's too loud now. Collateral damage on the decibels. Alright, we're going to see if we can do it now. Next time we get a sub, or anytime we get Jesus Chimes again, we'll be able to know if that's too loud, too quiet. Thanks so much, Travis, man. We'll look at Burst and Applied Materials. Only issue with the way I do this now, we know we're never going to bug out. That's great, but we know I'll always have to revert back to see notifications. It's the only crappy thing about it. So as long as I can hear, we're good. Okay. So anyway, yeah, with Ripple, let me just draw it real quick. Or NASDAQ, not S&P. My bad, dude. On Applied Materials. What was I thinking? I thought it was S&P, man. What was I thinking, man? Okay, give me a sec. So yeah, Tim Rose, is that a channel too? It's like, it could be. The way we broke this, it wasn't even a valid wedge. Remember we were saying we needed 5 touch points, we didn't get it? Here you go, man. Alright. We broke the heart line of the channel. Right, the bottom of the channel is at 34 cents, right? So we could hit that, but if the wedge was valid of some sort, we could get a measure move down to about 30 cents. Alright. Top right is Litecoin doing exactly what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. You got that downswing channel, you broke out. Fibonacci, easy stuff, swing high to swing low. Wherever we retrace, okay, we're hitting that 236. Cannot budge above the 236, failing. But at the end of the day, you understand, it's like Bitcoin owns this thing. Like literally, it's Bitcoin is Litecoin's daddy, okay? And there are no more scrubs around that are Litecoin enthusiasts that are like fanboys, okay? Because the price action's been so terrible. It went from $400 or something to $31. Really got down into $26. So there are no more people that would valiantly defend Litecoin like people are defending other things, right? Litecoin, dumpster fire, all right? Same thing with Ethereum. There's no more fanboy stuff because the price, 1400 to 135. Hilarious how the tribalism just disappears. It goes away. It's gone, right? I don't know where these people go that are. I just remember all the Litecoin fanboys. Y'all remember this, dude? Like early spring, the people obsessed with Litecoin, they don't exist anymore. Same with Ethereum people, man. Ethereum's gonna overtake Bitcoin, man. 135, man. Pathetic. All right. But anyway, Ethereum down 7 channel broke out. Oh, like right. Bull pull, bull flag. Still making a nice little retrace. Could, if we broke the upside and measure move this pattern, would be 135.41. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Who cares? XLM kind of does, you know, a little bit like Ripple. Kind of follows Ripple. Some would call XLM the poor man's Ripple. Oh. Okay. Falling wedge, we broke out, same thing, breakout, and it kind of break. We had a downsloping channel, downsloping resistance here. We broke out, everything broke out like Bitcoin. Okay, the double bottom like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. We ran up with 236, Bitcoin did not sustain prices above the 236. Scrubby. Retraces so far. I don't know if we're going to get to that 382. It seems so far away, man. 4,600. better see something happen this weekend, all right? Anyway, that's kind of my the breakdown of you know, the big four, whatever, man. Okay, we're already at Applied Materials, right? We had this beautiful upsloping channel. See ya, man. See ya. Let's go to the weekly real quick. Uncharted territory. Oh my god. Is that a cup and handle? No, there's too much chop, man. Cup and handles, the an exact requirement of a cup and handle is smooth rounding action. This is not that. Please don't. Just because we're hitting high resistance up here does not mean you're cup and handling, man. Okay, yeah, cup and handle, dude. Give me a break. All right, anyway. We just velocity trend right here, man. Just insane. Look, you had an uptrend, broke down, and then the run began, but now you're out of it, right? You've broken that. This is interesting. It's a little different than most other charts we're seeing. A lot different, actually. Okay, just drawing some critical supports. Looking left. Okay, let's fib it too. We'll draw our channel. Just give it a second. I mean, really, this run began July of 2015. And since we hit our pinnacle at 62 and change, March of 2018, it's been pain and despair ever since, right? We ran down, we hit the 618, the 200-week moving average. Seems we're pivoting and we're trying to rally now, but currently you can see we're below the 20-week and 50-week moving averages, gross, all right? I don't really see what's the point of plotting this now? I mean, we could plot a channel if you want to the upside, but it's not really going to help you. Well, I guess it's going to be good for just to educate, you know, all that stuff, man. I mean, really, dude, it was like this. It was just such a... I don't even know if we could plot from the top side. It looked like plotting from the top side was good, but, man, this was just a... I don't even want to use the... I don't want to use the Vib channel because it just doesn't make that much sense, right? So, false breakout, ran back up. Oh, let me guess, man. Let me guess on the weekly what happened before we got wrecked and dumped on. High on price, November 2017. All-time highs. Or not all-time highs, but 52-week highs. Big-time 52-week highs. Rivaling the .com crash. Hey, we finally recovered, man. Don't FOMO, man. Don't FOMO. March 2000 on Applied Materials. $57. Oh my god. Well, it only took us 18 years to get back up and recover from the great FOMO of the .com crash. Maybe give some perspective of what's going on. A lot of people would think we are in some sort of .com crash crap with crypto right now. Okay, 18 years. You got 18 years to spend on an investment. Anyone? Hello? Yeah. Jeez. So, Rawar, thanks for the bringing this up, man. This is a great chart to look at. It's tech, man. It's tech. Anyway, channel-wise, just got some sort of down sloping. Oh yeah, man, that's it, dude. I just don't like the pair. I just don't like the equidistant channel here. It just seems like the price action was too tight. There were not many major swings, right? So I guess we're looking at the weekly too. But anyway, you can clearly see here. Just change the color scheme, make it a little more visible so you can see. All right, again, a 62% retrace. We've decided to pivot, but look, you can clearly see there's a downsloping resistance right at $38, 38 and change. You can set an alert up here, see what happened. But if we were to break this, you could tell and know that we would go probably 38 to 62% of the way up and probably make a lower high than our previous high and break down again. All right. But look, this is what I was talking about on the weekly. It was so overwhelming, the evidence, that we were screwed on the weekly. High on price. Technically all-time highs. I'm just zooming out and seeing. Bearish divergence. Extreme bearish divergence in the MACD. High on price, higher high on price. Lower levels of relative strength. All the way up. You continued to do it until you made the all-time high, and then it was over, man. Okay, so all kinds of bearish divergence setting us up for lower prices. Look, man, you hit bearish divergence on the weekly, rivaling all-time highs from the year 2000 after an extreme run that had been going on for 3 years, almost non-stop up. You gotta take heed of that, man. You got to. It would behoove you to take heed of that. All right. It's okay, man. We bounced off the 62% retrace, and where can we go from here? We would fib from the swing high to swing low. We have not even hit the 236 yet, right? We have not even hit it. The 236 is literally at that downside resistance. If we were to break that, we could expect to see prices run between $42.80 and $50. Okay. Just now getting a positive histogram wick for the first time since March on the weekly. Holy crap, Rob. Holy crap. Was that satisfying? All right, man. Anyway, gonna get through some more chat. I don't think I didn't even get through chat. Stopped because we were looking at the quad screens. I can call them quad screens now. They don't have a big one on them anymore, right? Every time a person calls Bitcoin boring at a 15 to 20% drop, almost always happens. Dude, I was satisfied with the 50% drop we got in 2 weeks. And then afterwards, I was like, Bitcoin's dead, man. It's like, nah, dude, we're just... Did you not just see what happened? Did you just enter the market? What's up, Crypto Tiger, man? Kiki, hello. I'm so behind, y'all. I'm scrolling. I'm sorry. What's up, XRP Mafia? What's up, Lee Quick? Tomcat. What's up, Rob G? Oh my God. So we have Rob R, Rob N, Rob G, and we had to ban Rob K, who doesn't believe in Fibonacci because he's a meme. We have a meme. We have a perma bear who doesn't believe in Fibonacci, which is literally in solar systems, math, art, and science. So sorry about that, Rob. But all the other Robs, we have multiple Robs. We're gonna keep building our Rob empire. Soon enough, we'll have a Rob for each letter in the alphabet. That will be lit. Go out and recruit your Robs. All right. Thanks. And there went all my chat. Sweet. It happens. And we're gonna go to Burst after this. Okay. Am I liking my 1080 Ti? Oh yeah, man, it's so awesome, dude. I've got one more thing I've got to work on. Unfortunately, having 7 monitors, I spliced into USB. So like my quad screens are a little laggy, but we're gonna splice. It's gonna be, I think, kind of expensive, but we'll be splicing the display port into longer HDMI cords or whatever. That's but whatever. We're gonna be doing that. Also, let's take a look at the stock market, right? What we're just looking at applied materials, kind of relevant, right? We've got Dow Jones Industrial in the bottom right, double bottom. The neckline's up here. Okay, hey, my eyes are up here, not down here. If we broke that, a measured move would be momentous, right? It would be insane, dude. Okay, but I don't know, man. We hit the bottom of a channel that we've been in, right? Great. Top right, another double bottom of the S&P 500. Wonderful. Neckline's up here. If we can break that, oh my God, a measured move will be insane. But it's towards the top of the channel. We're near all-time highs again. These are all-time highs. You got the Russell 2000. It's really the IWM. A double bottom at the bottom of a channel. This is be greedy when others are fearful. Oh my God, man, we just dropped it. But if you know how to chart and you see trends and you get it, when everyone's fearful because they don't know how to read, you are greedy, right? Double bottom stuff. Bottom left is the NASDAQ composite, a little different than the other 3 big ones, the 3 bigger indices. NASDAQ lower low than our previous low, but You can see two diverging downsloping trend lines, a bullish pattern, a descending broadening wedge with a partial decline, a Bulkowski partial decline, where we do not hit the bottom of the trend line, so we might have a high percentage chance of breaking out to the upside. Holy crap. That's your stock market. We closed today. All right. Closed today very strong. Trying to recover from the big correction from October. Okay. One of the worst losses for hedge funds in years. Boom. Kangs. We just knocked out the whole stock market, man. Holy crap. Sandwich, if you missed last night's stream, you want to check it out, check me out on twitch.tv/PMRay23. 23. Numerical. Wind Moon, Jordan Miller. Wind Moon indeed. Okay. Vincent Wilson's in a bathtub, lurking, listening, lathering. Oh my god. Oh yeah, man. We'll just do this one for Vincent if he's still in the tub. Oh, it feels so good! There you go, man. So about Sloth. Slotherless. Beat Connect, indeed. Yep, we all know Big Connect. It's a thing, right? Holy crap. Miss some chat. Sloth, I'm sorry to hear that, dude. Don't be a tree sloth, man. You should have sold when Charlie Lee did, Michael. Yeah, dude, maybe so, dude. Hindsight's 2020, right? Hello, Princess Riley. Rob G shooting shots at the XRP fam. Uh-oh. Don't start a war, Rob, man. Don't start a war. XRP Mafia is smiling hard. Is the chart I'm even looking at crypto? Well, Jordan Miller, no, but it's a stock on the stock market. You know, makes products. They sell things to people, goods, and then other people buy those goods. They make money with it, and then they actually reward the shareholders, the people that own these shares, right? They reward them. It's crazy, and it's a crazy world. Stock market, right? Crypto, I know. Hey, the white papers, I know everything's gonna be the next thing. Go all in on it and lose your house. Okay, that's crypto right now. Money grabbing phase. Okay, traders market, gamblers market, not an investors market. We're looking at an investors market. But no, it's not crypto right here, because Rob R wanted to see Applied Materials, so we looked at it. That's it, man. It's a request show. Crazy world. Hey, what's up, Verkus Games, man? Good to see you again. Hello, refined hayseed appellation. I didn't know if I'd ever see you again. I thought you didn't like my overlay, man. It's too much zoo in here, as you would say. Take the camera and show off my setup, Brickley, man. It's tough, dude. It's tough. I mean, I can try to. It's just not. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. You want to see the setup, like the PC. It's gonna be just tough, man. I really hate how you're not gonna be able to. What I'll do is I'll take a picture of my PC setup now, and I'll post it on Discord, and then I will. I'm going to show you the PC that you can't really see, but then yeah, I'll do just a run around. It's not really good. It's kind of ghetto right now. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. There you go. Give me a sec. Discord. I'm pulling it up. I'm gonna send it, and then we're gonna be kings. Good. About to pull it up real quick for you. Okay, so this is my setup now. My new case, my new GPU, 1080 Ti, more RAM, 32 gigs of RAM, and new fans and lights. Boom, that is my PC right now. Super duper sexual. The Obsidian 500D case. One of the best looking PC cases that exists right now on the market. Okay, so gotta love that, but yeah, I'll do all I can to show you the monitors. It's gonna be tough, man. One sec. Hold on. I got you, dude. I got you, man. Okay, let's do this thing real quick. Well, I'm gonna mute my mic, so because it's gonna be moving the camera around. Hey, Slub, man, thanks for the sub. Dude, thanks for the sub on freaking Twitch, man. Jizz, man. Thanks, dude. Much love. Never mind, that was not a sub. I redact my gratitude, my overwhelming gratitude for the sub on Twitch, Kappa. But thanks for the sub on YouTube, and thank you so much for the sub on YouTube right there, man. You, who is Rick Schmitz, thanks, dude. Much love, man. Okay, thank you. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that's just trying to do is show you my setup. It was requested, so don't think I'm just trying to be I'm just literally doing what people ask me to do. Okay, it's coin request, show request, whatever you want. You can dance around naked. Can't do that because I'll get banned. All right. Make sure I got the right chart up, and then we will go to burst with Travis. Oh boy. Okay, man. Okay. Burst running, man. Burst running. Let me make sure what in the world, man. Okay, I got you. Let's go to burst. I'm gonna read what you said again, just to make sure. Good. Look at this, man. Look at this. So fantastic. Oh my god. Your downtrend that is so well respected. Unreal. We broke. Hey, look, this downside resistance. We finally broke it to the upside. Awesome, dude. Okay. And you asked, where would we fib? Where would we fib in this down sloping channel we've been in for a long time? It seems to be that, I mean, you've got this overhead resistance right here. People could argue this might be an area to fib. This is it, man, down here. Okay, if we're truly to make the retrace we're looking for, swing high, swing low. We haven't hit 236 yet, right? But it's great that we broke this down some resistance. Look, we broke it. Look, last time we failed, right? It failed. Once we broke it, man, look what happened. Ran all the way up to the hard line, broke down, ran up again, hit the 75, broke down, then broke the 75 and ran up to the 100%. Oh my God, right, Travis, man? So this is great news. Look at the positive momentum building. Hey, man, I'm just saying, right? Just freaking saying, at critical areas of support, Travis, we had daily bullish divergence. Insane RSI bullish divergence and pending price action reversal to the upside was upon you, and boom. I mean, Travis, man, I'm sorry, but there's no way I didn't analyze it like that. I didn't not analyze it like that, right? That's what this means. That's why we plot this stuff on daily timescales, and it's playing out. It's playing out nice with good breakout, right, dude? Right? Holy crap! Wonderful, man. Are we finishing out the rounding of the bottom on burst. I guess I get what you're saying.
Is that a joint?
Good evening, Mitch. BTC inverse cup and handle?
Hey, Oxy, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. I don't know, man. Cup and handles, inverse cup and handles, all that. Not really that great on the 4 hour, and there's chop. There is chop involved. The rounding is very real when you want a cup and handle, and I don't see there's definitely a swing low, a minor swing low, and you retrace it, run up again to a swing high. Okay, I think there is you could say that, man, I guess, but how about just an impulse down with sideways consolidation on no volume on the weekend, right? It doesn't always just have to be something. Ooh, that looks really cool. Whatever these lightings are, how'd y'all do that? Oh, it changed. Crap. Hey, GXRP, man, thanks for the 58.9% of 1XRP. Thanks, man. Much love, dude. Thank you, dude. So anyway, bid-wise, how do you hit the 236? Let's see if we can hit heart line. I'm thinking a target's going to be 176 to touch the top here, or the 236 at 169, or the heart line again at 176. Okay, you got a little bit of room to run. This is a daily, and the daily looks wonderful, but you are now overbought, more overbought than you've been. Literally, you have not seen overbought territory like this technically since January of this year. Travis, man, holy crap! Remember the trend you're in is bearish. Okay, you are making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. That's all I can tell you for now. Volume, elevated levels of volume, right? Kind of. But that day, there's wicks like that selling, so buyers and sellers on the elevated levels of volume. But it really just nothing compared to what we've seen before. My God, man. Okay. So yeah, that's it, man. It's hard to say on Bitcoin. Holy crap. So there you go, man. Hope that helps. Let me turn the fan on real quick. It's getting hot in here, dude. This much stuff going on is nuts, dude. Hold on. So I got all the fans I need for my PC. I just need my own fan, right? Just need to turn it on. Maybe I need to get an LED ceiling fan to match the PC. That'd be legit, man. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna scroll through some chat. I've missed so much, and I can't really do anything about it. Okay. I do enjoy thoroughly engaging with y'all, and when I'm doing charts and stuff, like, I miss a lot of chat, okay? I just kind of get zoned in, honed in on the charts, and just whatever. How long have I been live? You're drunk, Zed Zerps? You're drunk, man. Well, I'm working on it, okay? I've been live for like 46 minutes or so now. So you missed a little bit, but it's okay. I think a lot of good talk in the past 46 minutes has been some quality streaming, okay? Very good. XRP Mafia is asking chat, how is XRP centralized? He says, please explain. Exactly, y'all. Go ahead and explain. That's one I'm not messing with. I'm not touching it, okay? Am I shaving that beard tomorrow or what? Did Ripple hit $589? Or did it even hit $10? Nope, it didn't. So no, I will not be shaving my beard. Rick Schmitz, man, no. Oh, got so loud, my bad. Why? Why is it loud like that? Sure thing. Oh, wait, well, hey, the fact that you were long, Dennis, man, that's great, dude, because that means you took heed of the bullish indicators. That's fine, man. That's fine. But I didn't know that you had gone long at the area that we were looking at where going short was a bad idea. If you did. Got the same video card, Michael Lapoya, man. I don't know, man. And maybe in the future, if good things happen, maybe I'll get a 2080 Ti. You remember paying $22,000 for a Dell back in 1998? Oh my god, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Thanks, Crypto Tech. I'm glad you like the music, man. That wasn't a sub. What happened? I don't know. Maybe it was. Sloth, I thought it was. Okay, never mind. Okay, it was, dude. It was. Okay, we'll play. I'll just play Jesus Chimes to relinquish that claim. Sloth, man, I got confused, dude. I had my other chart up, or my other screen up, and I couldn't see it. And normally what will happen is I'll get something that will fall in the jar. Nothing fell in the jar, Sloth. So when I came back and saw the jar empty and did not have that subscriber thing, I just thought, oh, maybe I'm like freaking myself out. So Sloth, thank you, dude, for the sub and supporting the channel, dude. Much love, dude. Thanks, David Bello, man. Thanks for the 196 people tuned in from Twitch and YouTube. All right. I'm a techno reincarnation, dude. I didn't even know that was a thing, man. What's up, Claudio? One sec. Yeah, check that. Yeah. My God, man. Yeah, we can look at Micron, whatever, dude. We'll go to Micron. Sorry, man. All right, so overall, we're on the daily. We've got this historical uptrend. Been going on for a minute. Just anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom. That's all we did. Pretty much the thing is, though, we had a nice uptrend within our larger trend, right? Uptrend. We certainly broke it. Okay, we broke that. All ended with this harmonic. My God, did we not know this was the bottom or the top? Hey, what's up, Jordan Miller, man? Thanks for sub on YouTube. Good God, dude. The 382 and 618 and the 1272 were all targets. God, way below that. You can see this downtrend. It extends on, continues on. All right, so bad. Hey, man. Well, you had a bullish divergence. You bounced. Man, some extreme bullish divergence. Low, lower low, lower levels of negative momentum. Okay. Oops. Low on price. Lower lows on price. Higher levels of relative strength. Okay, so that's some pending price action reversal. Good stuff. Volumes just stay in mediocre. Every time, right? Lower highs, lower highs. You are in a downtrend. You can clearly see it right now. It's clear as day. All right, we haven't really touched this thing in a while, and that's why these are not included. Okay, so maybe though. What if we did adjust now with our new low? Okay, I'm just gonna adjust that since it's been a minute. All right, so if I anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the top, and then just 1 on the bottom now. Make the adjustment. You can clearly see we're now touching certain points. Pretty nice, not bad. Okay, so again, until you break this 42 area, you're in this bear trend. The bear trend continues. Okay, so you can set up some alerts and stuff. But all we did was swing low to swing high. We plotted initially these fibs because when you're looking at these kind of bearish patterns, these bearish cipher patterns, but this is called a shark, whatever, they have different names, whatever, different, you know, the lower lows than the higher high than the previous high, you know, X, A, B, C, D. You have targets. You have 3 different targets on these patterns for the most part, on all of them. Okay, the first target is the 382, second target is the 618, and then you have a rare third target, which is the 1272, which we hit at 39.74. Okay, so it looks like we might be getting a double bottom, but we're not making higher highs than our previous highs. Look, it's terrible, man, just terrible all the way. So we got a bullish engulfing candle today to close the week. Be interesting to see if we can run up again and start making higher highs than our previous highs. That's the only way this trend's going to reverse. But overall, quite bullish. Quite bullish. It's just you're in this nasty downtrend, right? That's it, Sloth Man. Sloth, thanks again for the sub on Twitch, dude. This one's for you, man. Anytime, dude. Anytime you got a request, let me know. Kangs. Thanks, dude. Have I looked at RGSC? I think we have. I can put it on the list. It's been a second. I think we looked at it like a couple days ago. Bitcoin going below support? Kinda. Yeah, it already has, right? 41.15 was the real support we wanted to hold, okay? D7 Tom, why do you need a sorority? Why do you need authority over how you spend your money? It's your money. You should be able to spend it how you want. Who's saying you shouldn't do that, man? Who's telling you you can and can't do things? Anyone, one can always say one shouldn't do this if they don't want to get wrecked. Ben Cooley Kang says to D7 Tom, because the commons need protection from parasites, cheaters, and pirates, of which there are an unlimited, copious amount of those scrubs in this market, okay? Plenty of them. Look at the highest majority of cryptocurrencies in general are all mostly scams. They're built, they were created to ICO. They got money from venture capitalists. Then once those ICOs that were not ICOs yet got that money, they would then spend absorbent amounts of that money on marketing to pump their coin to be the best. It's going to overtake Bitcoin. It's a meme in here. It's a joke. And then once they ICO'd with all the hype and all that craziness, people would buy into it. They'd be going all in, taking out second mortgages, all that stuff. And then once the price jumped high enough right after the ICO, the insiders, the people, the lead developers would dump on everyone's head. Kind of like what Charlie Lee did. Whatever, man. Just saying. Charlie's a little different situation. It's not just like a, Litecoin had been around, but for the most part, the ICOs from 2017, the ICO boom, was definitely to make people rich, and the people that became rich were the ones that ICO'd. Okay. So, Mr. Sandeep, good to see you, dude. Just getting through chat. Okay, what's up, Crypto Yeti? Hey, it's Friday night, y'all. I've been live for 55 minutes now. Remember, y'all, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that stuff if you want to see this channel grow, see my influence reach the outer depths of the crypto sphere and all other spheres, right? Whatever. What's up, Dave Jones? Good to see you, dude. Cool Kings, we can look at that bat. Yeah, bat had that nice ascending triangle. Beautiful triangle. We had thanks to Probst. And yeah, that was what we'll look at. We broke out bullishly today on bat. Don't even look at the chats, it said. Is that true? Should I not do that? I'm so far behind. I need a princess to do chats while I do my thing. Is this true? Maybe, I don't know. I've only been doing it 10 months though, so I do suck at it though. I guess that's true, Aaron. That's true. That is true, man. Yeah, it's true. Feels good, man, Sloth. Feels good, man. You're gonna get a dedicated computer for each monitor. That will be lit, man. Okay, if money was not an option, like legit not an option, might do that. Okay. Sorry, just getting through this. A lot of it. Okay, I'm almost done too. I can see the scroll thing. What's up, Benjamin? There's plenty of regulars here. Yeah, plenty of regulars. Does Logan the King still come around? Yeah, he comes around all the time. He was in Hawaii for like 2 weeks or something, Benjamin. Mr. Moonboy, okay, calm. It's all good, dude. All right, it's not like you're exuding shilling. Okay, like if you legit, I don't know, man. Your name, it kind of like raises red flags to the point where I don't even want to say the name of what you're asking about. Okay, Mr. Moonboy. Okay, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird and kind of off-putting. All right. Okay, well, that's about it, man. Unreal, dude. Crazy world. Crazy, crazy world. Holy crap, dude. Jake J hates the XRP community. Sorry to hear that, Jake, man. Don't want to hate anybody. No point in hating, right? What's up, Calvert Clucking, good to see you, dude. Whew. Hey, Dirty Fergie. Yeah, right, Michael, man. Yeah, right. It's a joke. Speaking of the king, is the king here? Did he make it? Nah. Where is he? I don't see him. I do not see him. It's the weekend, man. The weekend is for traders alike. The weekend's a time to relax and hang out, okay? Because there's very little volume. Trading desks are closed around the world. So right now we're just going sideways after a little minor impulse down on Bitcoin. That is now time for your local on the 8s. Okay, go to Bitcoin. So yeah, man, we are outside of that little channel, whatever, okay. Who cares? There's literally no volume. It's Friday night in the States. And there's no reason to believe, right? There's no overwhelming bearish divergence here to make us think we're going down. I mean, what are we doing right now? Swing low to swing high. I mean, we talked about this at the beginning of the stream, man. You want overwhelming evidence. You want, like, evidence that is nice. Like multiple variables that are coinciding, that are saying the same things, man. On the 4 hour here, man, we're not getting any of that, okay? We had a 60-minute bearish divergence. We had a very slight bullish divergence right here. Okay, but now we're not doing anything. We're just going to impulse down sideways. Price action. Okay, and in like 20 hours, we have literally done nothing. Nothing in 20 hours. What does that tell you? It's the weekend. It's here. Grab a drink, relax, hang out. We're looking at charts, getting educated, just doing our thing, man, okay? And engaging. That's it. Eating some grub, sipping on some brews. Cheers, King Logan. Cheers, man. Hey, Drawn K. Thanks for making it. Hate will wreck you. Don't hate. It's hard sometimes, but don't hate. Exactly, dude. Hate is such a terrible thing. It'll have you. Hate will have you coming into live streams, wasting your time, trolling. Okay, that's what hate does. So it's a terrible life to live. There's so much life out there, and you're spending it. Hey, if there are trolls that come in here, think about it. People that downvote me, people that come and talk crap, they get deleted immediately. It's so funny. I live rent-free in their heads. Think about that. Cliff Martin, thanks for the sub on YouTube. GG's, man. And there are people out there where I do live rent-free in their minds, and I love it. It empowers me. A wrench improves TA. Is this true? Kiki, is it true? Hey, what's up, Julia? You just getting here? It's the music. King Logan and Julia. All right, they're here. Oh my god. Good to see you. Sorry you're tardy. All good, Julia. All good. Pass the tardy sauce. Whatever. What? President H.W. Bush just passed away. MJ, thanks for the update. That's very unfortunate to hear. Time President passes. Right. Very unfortunate. Wow. Rest in peace, HW. What's up, Crypto Data, man? Thanks for tuning in. Word of the night is wrecked. Every time I say wrecked, you drink. Is this how it's going to go? Chat? Is that the drinking game? Let it be known. Type 1 if you're drinking. If every time I say wrecked, you drink. Will you agree to these terms? Or will you be peasants? Okay, let me know. 2 if you don't. If you're like, nah, man, I don't play that game. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, sweet. No, Tal. That's a big no-no. That's I'm not a financial advisor, Tal. Right? So you can't send me anything to trade for you. Okay. All right. So hold on. I gotta break the seal really bad now. All right. So turn this music up. I'm not gonna hit the BRB screen. I'm just gonna leave it up. All right. Who cares? Hold tight. Freaking love y'all.
on the stream. Just caught the part where there is apparently 27 Robs in the house. I don't feel special anymore, crying face, Kappa. Do you think we could have a special pre-game voice chat on Fridays just for the Robs?
Oh, it feels so good! Hey, Rob in, man. Dude, thanks so much, man, for the, 690 pennies, the super sexual amount of pennies, man. Yeah, dude. I think we could. Do we invite the band, other Rob, that doesn't believe in Fibonacci because he's a scrub? I don't know if we should invite him. He would be boring. He'd be weird, dude. Okay? He probably doesn't even believe in, I don't even know things we like, okay? You don't believe in Fibonacci. Don't trust someone who doesn't believe in Fibonacci, okay? I'm telling you, don't trust that person. That means they do not believe in math in sequences of math. Okay? That's weird. Robin, man, thanks for the 690, dude. Much love. Yeah, it's just we keep the R's just keep growing. And it seems there's nothing we can do to stop it, man. And it's all good, though. I love the Robs, okay? Except the one Rob, right? Anyway, so, we're gonna crank it up to 11 tonight, Benjamin? I don't know, man. I just don't know, man. Crude Data thinks the chat's gonna get turnt tonight. Isn't turnt the definition, the literal Urban Dictionary definition is doing marijuanas and drinking alcohol at the same time, right? Isn't that what turnt means? I think we could say just drinking alcohol could be getting wrecked. If you're playing the game, get wrecked, dude. Okay. King Logan, that's a lot of beers, man. How many beers is that? Too many, man. Okay. Too freaking many, man. Someone said to me, listen to this, chat. Hey, man, how's it going? I just wanted to thank you for your dedication, and I wanted to make a suggestion. You might want to remove the top Jesus in the top left corner of the screen because new people might be weirded out by that. No, new people might be weirded out by this. Not by the top Jesus, man. I'm sorry. We have a culture here that we built over 10 months. And just because you don't understand the culture doesn't mean that, like, I really care if you're weirded out by coming to this channel. If you're weirded out, go to another channel. Oh my God. Go watch someone else do technical analysis. I don't really care. Welcome to me not caring. Oh my God. It's really simple, okay? You like a streamer or you don't. Real quick. You don't care about the top left of my screen. You don't do that. You care about the substance of what I'm providing when I'm talking while we're looking at charts. What in the world, dude? But hey, man, thanks for the feedback. Thanks for the feedback. So, let's go to RGSC, okay, man. I think we already looked at it, but let's go get real goods. God for crypto, man. Dude, thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Thanks, dude. Much love. Was that Prime? I don't even have my Streamlabs up. I don't even know. Oh, it feels so good!
Only a believer in Rob's a believe Fibs, and Julia Gulia.
So Yulia Gobskulskis to you, Rob Bar. Dude, thanks for the $20 contribution to deals, man. That's on my man. The Ethereum in the jar, dude. Thank you, dude. Rob, you know you could do that incrementally. Instead of $20, you could do like 3, 3, 3. And you can make it to where I could drink. I would have to drink every time, man. Think about it, Rob, man. Okay. Diet Natty. Is that even a thing, Benjamin? I don't think Diet Natty exists yet, okay? But here we go, man. We got multiple Robs. We got multiple people requesting RGSE. Double bottom. Look, double bottom. Very weird rounding double bottom, okay? There's not normally the rounding action like this, okay? One bottom, two bottoms. The discernible pinnacle that gives us the discernible double bottom. Measuring that from the breakout, we hit the 382. And once we hit the 382, we've reversed our price action to the downside. Now we're at 64.97 cents. Thing to take from this, I think to take note of the trend we are in is substantially, ridiculously bearish. All right, man. Very bad. Very bad. So, hey, stay above this support, but look, man, why is that off just a little bit? Oh, okay, I think we were looking at the daily. That's right. Look at the daily. Now let's just bring this back up just a little bit. Swing out of swing low. 382. We said you could expect between the 382 and the 618 as a target before reversing to the downside. Okay, and it just so happens the 382 was coinciding. It was confluent with the measure move of the double bottom. My God, man. And look what happened on the daily. Dude, a perfect. It's pretty freaking good. Dark cloud cover, ladies and gentlemen. Do we need to look at this again? Do we need to do some more educating? Again and again and again. Oh my God. Come on, man. Dark cloud cover. Really? Why is it showing up on the screen? Hello? Hello? Dark cloud cover. Here it is, man. Where you have a nice green candle run up. It is a bearish reversal pattern, okay? And then your next day you open above your previous candle. You can rally, whatever, doesn't matter. But then eventually what happens is you sell off all day. You pierce between 65 and 50 to 65% of the way. And then you close right here, like between 50 and 65% of the way. And that's it. This is the pattern. This is literally it right here, man. This is your bearish reversal pattern. Dark cloud cover. That's it, man. Don't learn your patterns, man. Where'd it go? It's gone. Huh. Anyway, so that's a reversal pattern at the 382 at the measure move of the pattern. Great, man. Great. Let's go to bat. Batman coin. Ooh, that sucks, man. You rejected at the 382. Sorry, man. That's why we fibbed today. When we broke out, we fibbed and we said, hey, man, why do we not hit measure moves? Why? Other critical resistance points. What's a critical resistance point? Anything between the 382 and the 618, right? Between 382 and 618. This is your area where you could reverse price action here, here, or here. The 382, 50%, 618, that's 4,300, 46.32, or 49.52. We just happen to reverse our price action at the 382. This is a false breakout of an ascending triangle pattern. It looks so good, but dude, look, the bearish divergence. You even ended up going from triple MACD class A bearish divergence into class B bearish divergence into class A bearish divergence. Okay, make this like a different red. I don't even think you can see it. Whatever, man. Look, man. I'm sorry if I messed up what I said. Class B bearish divergence, right? High, same high again. Every time you make the same high, you're triple topping, right? Every time you're making a lower level of positive momentum, class B bearish divergence. Whatever, man. You know.
So you only want $3. Crap, this whole time.
No, it's just more fun, Rob R, man, when you know, I get it. You know, you can throw down the 20s, but like, so I don't have drinking games. Drinking games for me are like, I can't really, when I say something, I wrecked, you drink, right? But for me, it's kind of like, I'm staring at charts, right? And I'm kind of just going. So anytime I hear Jesus Chimes, like, oh, that's a good drinking game. When I hear Jesus Chimes, I drink, whatever. If it's a sub, follow, anything, right? $3 tip, whatever. That's just it's like easier for me to like do the show versus like, you know, if y'all say something, okay, you have to drink now, I'm looking at chat like 30 minutes later because I'm analyzing charts and stuff, educating, doing the things. So You know, it's just, you know what I'm saying, man. I get you, Rob Arman. Things at $3, man. You did that. Hey, that's Ripple in the jar. Ripple in the jar. What were we just talking about? Sorry. We're back inside the triangle now. Oh, anyway, yeah, we're talking about the divergence. So the Class B, okay. Little education. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whatever. I'm not gonna do it. Here is a price action. Okay. Here's your price action. Crap. I wish I need to have that on my hotkey. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. It's gonna mess up for a second. Give me that. Wait a minute. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about it. We're good. Okay, so. Oh my God, are you kidding?
I like the Fibonacci as well. Pretty good with the side of meatballs and some Chianti wine.
Hey, you got the Fibonacci dish, brother. But the 3 PDM customer. Thank you, man. Purple's not a good color. Sorry. I mean, it's not good for stream. Let's go teal. Teal's good. Oh, we'll go to like 18 or something. 20. No, we got to go 20. That's good. So price action double top, right? You see the price action double top. So what gives us that divergence, that bearish divergence, man? So when we have a nice run up on our oscillator, just like we do on the price action, we break down back to neutral on the MACD or oscillator or RSI, whatever, doesn't matter. And then on this double top, what do we do, man? The double top. Okay, man. And this is what we call Julia.
So Mitch, how much is left in your glass? You have until 100 likes to get another one. Drank, Mr. Mon.
I have until 100 likes. What? Julia, I've been live for an hour and 20 minutes. We're not 100 likes by now. That's just, what do you want me to do, man? That's on y'all. We had like around 100 or 200 people watching for most of the stream, and we can't even get 100 likes. How is that on me? Dude, you know how many times we've gotten over 100 likes in less than like 30 minutes before? And we're like not even at 100 likes, and I've been live for an hour, 20 minutes on a Friday night, right? What do you want me to do? I'm powerless. Like there are some things that are out of my control and all in your hands, y'all's hands, right? So, what this means right here, B, bearish. Oops, that's not bearish. Okay, this is Class B, bearish divergence. When your price action hits a high, you double top on the price action. Your oscillator, right, like your MACD or your RSI, it hits a high and then goes back to neutral, and then we run up again and rally. We'll make a lower level of positive momentum or relative strength. And this just means impending price action reversal to the downside. That's what it means. Okay, that's what it's screaming at you. And of course, you always want more variables. You want to look for as many variables as you can find to give more evidence and more, I don't know, argument to your technical analysis. But that's normally what it means, the double top with the bearish divergence. Okay, Class B. Class B. And then we have Class A. Do we want to do it? Do we want to do Class A? We're on Batcoin. Somebody clip this or something for education on Twitch or something. Somebody, please, thanks. Well, let's say we have a nice run. We break down 50% of the way, whatever. We run up, make a higher high. than our previous side. Okay. And on our oscillator, we have a nice run up on the positive momentum relative strength. We break down, go back to neutral. And then we make that higher high. We break down again. It looks identical to the lower high on the oscillator, right? God, these gaps. Here's your price action, higher high. Oh. Here's our class A. Bearish divergence. Ooh. Super fancy, right? Super freaking fancy, man. Okay. So you think, wait a minute, what is that? Class A and B? No, there's Class C, but Class C is a scrub form of divergence, bearish divergence. Now, of course, we can get bullish divergence. Look, hey, all we got to do, man, all we got to do is change bearish to bullish, and we flip the chart over. We double bottom with higher levels of relative strength or lower levels of negative momentum. You see what I'm saying? That just is Class A, that's Class B bullish divergence, right? Boom. Yeah, we can do that. So if you want to know the third, should we do this, man? I don't know, man. I don't know if we should do this, dude. It's getting a little too weird on a Friday night. People are trying to get drunk, not try to learn about divergence. Class C. High on price. Higher high on price. What does our oscillator do? Our oscillator, nice spike in positive momentum. We break down to neutral. We run up again. We double top on our oscillator. Class C, bearish divergence. Okay. Oh my god, this is so sweet, dude. Oh my, are y'all kidding me, dude? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. These are your 3 forms of divergence. Are you kidding me, dude? Are you freaking kidding me, man? We doing TA fun? We having fun tonight, y'all? Oh, wait. Excuse me. Pseudo idol, excuse me, pseudo idol. Thanks for the sub on friggin' Twitch, man. Thanks for all the support, dude. Cheers, man. Cheers. Friday night drunken stream. Well, we're not drunk, but we are doing education. Okay. Whatever, man. I should have done A, B, C, but I just went B, A, C because I think we have B divergence or something somewhere on this chart. I don't know. It's whatever. Okay. Let me scroll through some chat. This took some time, so let me just see what's going on with chat. How y'all doing? Oh my god, Drew Crew is still the boss? Are y'all kidding me? Drew Crew was the boss. He became the boss like last night or yesterday or something, okay? What's going on?
I was going to tip a bunch of $3 tips to get you to finish that bear. As I am lazy, I just did the math and it comes down to this. This Jesus time is basically $5.3933 tips. So drink up, my brother. Love you, man.
Love you too, it's just Zero, man. Dude, if y'all don't know Zero, Zero is the one who, out of the goodness and kindness of his heart, he made the TA with Mitch Ray cryptocurrency coin that is available for purchase or selling on the Waves platform, right? Hey, wait, we're a better working product than most of the cryptos. We're just saying, because we're here every day, 7 days a week, twice a day for the most part, right? While the cryptos, we don't even know what they're doing, right? We know what we're doing here. So, dude, thanks so much, man. Much freaking love. I'm going to screen cap this and post it, okay? I know it's, like, not that great. It's okay, though, I guess. I'm not Bob Ross, man. Sorry. Oh, there's no way I can get all this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
There's a new boss in town, drink.
What? Aramis, man? Did there's a 333 repeating, of course. Leroy Jenkins, but I'll just do the. Cheers, dude. Thanks, man. Much freaking love. I'm gonna post this real quick for the patrons. Just in the chat. Whatever people want to know. Here you go. Boom. Anyway, let's get through chat and then we'll move on to another chart, okay? I haven't been able to do it, man. I've been trying. Oh, did we get 100 likes, man? Did we? I'll take your word for it. I trust you. Don't debate me, man. Do not debate me. No. Tornado touchdown for 45 minutes south of us, Renee. Well, what the heck? Are you in the southeast? Because I know there's tornado weather coming my way, Renee. So you might be in the southeast or in the mid, maybe in Texas or something, or Arkansas, or maybe somewhere. You might be completely wrong. Okay, I just know bad weather's coming my way, so you might be before me. These weather systems get. What's up, drunk? Yeah, we say and get it, get Mitch lit. Yeah, get lit. New York State gets tornadoes. America, that's right. Yeah, Devin, how do I know the MACD? Do I know how the MACD is calculated? Well, I don't use the signal lines, the MACD lines. Those are just EMAs, 3 different EMAs that are just crossing, right? That's the oscillator. I use the histogram, which is sensitive to rate of change and time, okay? Sensitive to rate of change and time. So a sharp move to the downside real fast is going to make these things pop the downside upside, right? Or a sharp move up, right? You see what I'm saying? Sensitivity to rate of change and time. Devin, hope that helps. This is my, but look, yeah, people are like, what are you doing, Ray? What is that, man? What is that? I take off the lines. I don't like the lines. They're not my thing. I don't use them. They're not relevant to me. I use coinciding variables. I don't use the lines. Okay. So I take out the signal, take out the MACD. I just use a histogram. It sets me free. Kanks. That's it, dude. Anyway. Devin, just let me know in chat if that helped, okay? It's been a minute, but it's been like 7 minutes. But dude, I'm sorry, man. I'm trying to do this stuff at the same time. Drank it, Julia. I'm sorry. I've drank for every Jesus Chime, so I'm not in debt. I am caught up on my Jesus Chime debt, Julia. Okay. Respect the TAA. Yeah, you get it. Do it, 1G project. It's vague pronoun. Pronoun, man. I said pronoun or something. Yeah, it's Laker, man. Yeah, divergence, not divergence. Yeah, there you go, man. You must be too drunk to taste this chicken, man. All right. Can I give examples of bullish divergence? Done. Thank Thanks, Pseudo Idol, man. I really appreciate it. Again, the sub on Twitch, man. Just been trying to build that over there. It's like impossible, dude. I don't think enough people care about crypto. I think the demographic's too young on Twitch to actually ever pick up momentum. I don't think I ever will. But it's not like I'm not going to stream there. I'll just stream there until I never get big on Twitch. I don't ever. That's not really the goal. The goal is to like influence somebody in a positive way on Twitch one time, once a day, once a week. Doesn't matter, right? Why am I doing this on Friday night? You can't learn on Friday nights, Renee. Just screenshot, just screen capture this and be Kang or Quane in your situation, okay? That's it. Good God, I missed so much chat, dude. Now you know your divergence, Mr. 1G Project, man. Now you know. That's what we were going for, dude. That's what we were going for. Yeah, dude, respect for George H.W. Bush, man. Seriously, man. It's very unfortunate. Anytime a president dies, man, it sucks, dude. Zero yet with 100 likes, man. We did it, dude. 123. I like that number. I like that number, dude. We're in the world of Star Wars Worlds. Star Wars Worlds, I have not seen him since 5800, have I? Yeah, we have. I think we saw him at the first dump. The first of 3 dumps. I think we saw him. That sounds gross, but... There 3 classes of... Yes, hey. Hey, Alonstra, man, here's your 3 classes of bullish divergence.
Oh, so you're saying I have some catching up to do. Are you? You're on.
Yulia Gochkulskis, thanks for the 1618. Yeah, oh my god, we have 3 golden mean ratio contributions in the chart. Holy crap. 3 1618s. Oh my god. I feel like I'm all up in science and Fibonacci right now. God. So, what happened? Yeah, a launch trip. Here it is. So just try to reverse the rhetoric, right? The words. Price action, double bottom. Price action, lower low. Price action, lower low, right? Higher low on the oscillator. Higher low on the oscillator. Double bottom on the oscillator. Instead of these being red, they're green. Just for the sake. I guess I could draw them out, but my god, man. Is that... Yeah, all I'll do is hit Alt-I. And we're good. But, you know, bullish divergence, like class B, A, and C, bullish divergence flipped over. Okay, Alt-I. We can go on back to being Kangs. All right. Boom. Dude. Chris Winsett, man, thanks for the 20 freaking XRP. Dude, Chris Winsett is establishing himself. Him and Matt are the XRP Jesus Peoples men. They're the 2 that have contributed more than anybody on the XRP tip bot. As you can see the top right of your screen, you see that QR right there. That is for the XRP tip bot. If you have that, you can tip me an XRP, which a lot of people don't want to mess around with crypto except for XRP these days. How terrible the market is, right? So thanks so much, Chris, man. Much freaking love, dude. Seriously, awesome. Chris wants that. Never tip me in fiat. Just tip me in. If you're ever like gonna tip me again, just keep on tipping me in XRP. I love accumulating XRP. Okay, man. That's it. Thanks, Dirty Fergie, man. We was Kangs. Michael W, dude. Is it Michael? Cause your name spelled Michael differently. Hey, Alonsad, man. Alonstrov. Thanks for the 1 XRP. Thank you, dude. Much love. Twitch is Fortnite and PUBG. Verkus scams. Hey, Verkus. We can change that, man. We can change the way the world works, right? So guess what happens? If I keep doing this, if I stay consistent, if the siege of time happens, where these people that are young, they get older, they want to make money, they want to learn about something that's meaningful, and it has to do with computer screens and computers, and it's not playing video games. This is the adult version of video games, right? It's not trading that.
Double bottom sounds sensual.
Oh yeah. Oh, it feels so good! Jules Santana, man, thanks so much for the 1212. Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin Cash, sorry, Zcash. Working on it. It seems pretty, it would probably be pretty easy emoji to do. It's like gold with a Z, right? We can make it super sparkly and crazy looking. Almost like real gold in a way, because Bitcoin could have been that, but we went with this crazy galaxy inspired by that beautiful artwork, that $900 artwork that I wish I could get. I can't. I'm sorry, I don't know. It doesn't matter like how much money one would make. Like, dude, $900 on art, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Never could I bring myself to $900 art. It looks so beautiful and I want it so bad, but I don't want to afford it, right? You know that feeling? You just don't want to afford something even though you can. You just won't. It was inspired. That was the Bitcoin emoji ball. So we can make Zcash like what Bitcoin could have been before inspiration, right? We'll do it, man. We'll do it, Jules, man. Thanks, dude. That 12, and that would be 1212. That's how you get it. We're working on, currently, Chalen's working on the 888. And after that, we'll go straight to, I believe, Zcash. Kanks. Is it important to know A, B, or C? Are they treated? Yes, they are, Jack. Yes. Yes. Class A is your strongest form of divergence. Strongest, meaning you have the higher likelihood of things bringing the upside or downside depending on bullish or bearish divergence. Class B is strong, very strong. Double tops, always good confirmation that we're going to get wrecked, right? The divergence really helps you with your decision-making abilities, right? So B is good. It's a little bit weaker than A, but they both, A and B, both signify impending price action reversal to the downside or upside if we're talking about bullish divergence, right? So A and B are awesome. A is stronger than B, but B is still good. But C just signifies stagnation in momentum. Okay, when you're double topping or double bottoming on oscillators, you're stagnating in momentum or strength. And it is not always meaning that there is impending price action reversal to the downside. It is something that you should note. You should take note of as an analyst or trader. Take note of it and see what else is going on. Are we hitting critical areas of resistance? Is another one of our oscillators showing bearish divergence? A or B, right? You could throw that into the bucket if there are other bearish tendencies or bullish tendencies, variables, whatever, that could make us break down, and that could add to your case that we would be going down or up, right? But C is just to be noted, to throw into your proverbial, what do we call it? Come on, for the cooking, the baking pot, what is it? The mixing bowl of variables, like your batter, your eggs, your milk, vanilla extract, all the stuff to make your cake. You throw it in there, okay? If you throw in the Class C divergence and there's a bunch of other variables, it's pretty good, it's adding. But if it's just the Class C divergence, it's not really anything to hold on to. It's not anything to write home about, right? So that's the way you look at A, B, and C. A is strongest, B is second strongest, and really good divergence, and they both mean impending price action reversal. But C is just to be noted, to throw into your basket of other variables, but it does not signify impending price action reversal. Okay, that's it. Jack Brown, hope that helps. Let me know. Okay, thanks. Stochastic RSI, man. No, not really. I don't know, man. Like, I've played with it and messed with it in the past, yes, but dude, you find something that works for you and you just go with it. And that's it, man. Like, you kind of like figure out your way, your strategy. You start mastering your variables, what you like, and then you just kind of go with those, right? So, I mean, like, it's not like it's bad, P. Miller. It's not like you can't use it. It's just something that I've learned. I've played with it. I like it. It's cool, but like I'm good with on my screen having those two variables, the RSI and MACD, histogram, and my price action with my fractals, my Thomas Bulkowski fractals, and my moving averages, my simple moving at 20, 50, 200 moving average, and volume, right? Those are my variables I like. And you can come up with your own strategy, You don't have to mimic me. I prefer you don't mimic me, because people do mimic me, and it's like, really, man? You're just copying me. I mean, like, it's fine to do that to be successful, but like there are times when maybe you shouldn't do that if you're literally streaming. If you're streaming and you're copying me, that's weird. And then you're copying literally everything I do. That's really, really weird and off-putting and kind of offensive. Kind of offensive that you're literally doing everything I do, copying it verbatim, like everything, chat box, everything. The tip jar, dude, music, all my variables, everything I do, you're copying it. All of it, that's weird, and it's not cool at all. That's like literally like stealing IP almost. Okay, so yeah, but for anyone that wants to learn the way I do it, this is what the stream's for, right? Okay, anyway, I had to get that off my chest. Okay, kind of weird. Get through chat. Okay. You timestamp, Chris Winsett. I don't know timestamp. Right now is hour 41 minutes. We've been live. If you like this channel, if you like this stream, this education, this stuff, the atmosphere, hit that like button, the bell is up. Okay. Of course, lost on my chat. How do we tip? Zedzerps, I don't understand what that means. How do you tip? There's a link in the description below. There's multiple links. Okay. Read them and do you think? Tron Classic for the win. Is that really real? I thought that was fake. I thought it was a meme. Okay. You know it's bad. You know this market's pathetic when you hear about Tron Classic and you actually think it's a meme. You think it's a joke, like it's satirical. But if it's real, that's terrible. Which way Bitcoin go, Fazan? Which way? Which way? Cauldron. There we go, Jet Brown. Cauldron.
Is that a joint?
Great work on the TA. Bolkowski would be proud. Cheers to present in future kings.
Thanks, Crypto Hippie 333 repeated course. Much freaking love. Love you, dude. Thanks for all the ongoing support. I know you've been around for a while. Thank you, dude. Drank, right? Chat, get wrecked, get wrecked, get wrecked. Julia, wrecked. Was there something with my last video? Hey, Joshua, just go here if you want to see it. And it's pretty good. It was pretty good stream we had. Unfortunately, there was a song or something or whatever. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it got taken down. The video got taken down. But hey, there's always a backup, and I just posted it in chat. Okay, that's it. Go to that video, go to that link, and you'll find that video. Okay, the static of that stream last night. That's cool as long as you don't like stream it, John Legend. We're cool, man. If you stream it, if you literally just copy everything I do here, and you just like go and do it on your own stream. Pathetic, right? Just saying. Mimicry is the most sincere form of flattery. Sure, I guess, Don, but you better know exactly what you better really know and study what I know, because like you can't just like try to think you know what divergence is or think you know how it all works and you haven't been doing it for a long time. Then you're just like leading people astray with false information and you don't really understand the concepts yourself, right? You're just kind of like, you look good, but you're a shell of what this show is, right? And I think that's irresponsible, man. You're like, you could screw people over really bad. Sure, Michael, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Do it, Landcap, do it, man. Okay, I'm getting through chat, almost done. I'm not trying to get y'all here. Aramis, get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked, dude. That's all I gotta say to you, okay? Should think Joshua Ramsey, man. Anytime, dude. And we did it. Is there a way? Nah, Joshua. Unfortunately, I don't think there is, man. Which, whatever. It's, dude, like, look, believe me. The funny thing is, right? People have and do and will continue to copy what I do. And anyone can put a tip jar out there. But good luck filling it up. Good luck filling it up. All right. And I reset my tip jar every single stream. There is not a time where I just leave it open. Yeah, we're just gonna keep building it throughout the week. Nope, it's empty every freaking stream. Okay, so people want to. People try to mimic because they think, oh, it's easy. It's real easy to do what I do. People almost insult me by thinking it's so easy what I do, and they try to do it. And so, okay, man, go ahead. Okay, we're going back to Bitcoin, and it's dumping a little bit, just a little, not much, not really going outside the range we've been in all 24 hours, right? The lowest low we've seen in 24 hours is 38.73, and we're currently sitting at 39.23. Okay, so wow, still got a way to go. Good breakdown, right? Look at the Bitcoin chart now. Z0's here. We're looking at it, not really doing anything. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. It's nothing. It's below average volume, man. My God. We got some props from Todd Butterfield. Well, hey, man. That's look, dude. I'm not like no one like. He's not trying to like. I'm not even trying to make a point here. I'm just saying I'm venting a little bit because I feel like I've worked for 10 months to build this thing, this whatever I'm doing right now, 10 months, and for people to come in, blatantly copy it, or methodically copy it for that regard, quietly just copy it all and try to make it their own. It just kind of sucks, but I'm gonna get that. And I understand that, but I'm just talking to y'all because guess what? Y'all are like part of my life, like heavily part of my life. So I'm gonna talk to you in chat. Who cares, right? Would you prefer to just not talk to you about things I feel? I guess. You know, like I'm live 7 days a week, so you know it's like this is kind of like an IRL stream in a way. You're heavily involved in my life if you watch me, okay? Because you can watch me every single day. Thanks, Michael, man. Michael W. Dude. Is it Michael? Let me know if it's Michael. It could be Mikhail. I don't know. Angus beef? Yes, Bradford. Angus beef, all in. Okay. Benjamin, man. What the heck, dude? Did you change your name to Benjamin, man? Excellent, dude. Excellent. Nah, Edward Park, never gonna do that, man. There's no point, dude. No point. It's stupid. It's no point, dude. I won't ever do that. There's no doxing involved here, okay? But I'm just literally making it be known. Like, I know. And it's really kind of insulting. As a content creator, it's insulting. That's it. Wobble my jello. Oh, my head's up, dude. My head's straight up, dude. Thanks, Don F72, man. Much love, dude. We have Bitcoin, yeah, just breaking down. Really not a big deal. I don't think it's a real big deal until we break the 3852 area, which we haven't even touched yet, which swing low to swing high is that 618, which is your common retrace. Oh, okay. Impulse up, down sloping. Here we go, man. Between 3852 and 4067, that's our retrace zone, the common one. If you fall below 3852, you're going to break the equidistant channel. Heartline, thing we've been in since February. Do you see this red line? It's not a joke, man. This red line is for real. It's very well regarded. Look, support and resistance and pretty much support right here, okay? Don't break 3846 or you're screwed, okay? All right, Bradley, man. Have a good one, dude. Much love. Okay. What's up, it's a saw. Hello, dude. Actually, there are 190 people tuned in between Twitch and YouTube. Feelings, Crypto Cutter. Feelings. Anyway, We'll set an alert, I guess. Set an alert. Okay, right around 3870 or 3860 something. Got an alert set up. All right. You hear that beep? And that's not good, right? But look, man. Impulse down, sideways consolidation, right? Never really good. Okay. Bear pull, bear flag stuff. Not that great. And you know, I mean, we had all the reason in the world to believe we'd be kings, right? Hey, man, we're taking some real world stuff from our little education session. Low on price, huge spike in negative momentum. Lower price, lower lows than our previous lows with lower levels of negative momentum, right? Low on price, lower low on price. Even a lower. Here's your high or your low on price, lower low on price, lowest low on price. Higher levels of relative strength every single time. Bullish divergence, and you coincide them. Holy crap, both are showing it. And we're showing a potential double bottom. Oh my god. With lower volume too? That was a reason to believe we would make retraces to the upside. We did, but they were short-lived, were they not for now? Scrubby. Super scrubby. Hey, Just Zero, man. Thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Freaking love you, dude. Thank you, man. Pink, man. Pink. Good guy Zero. Subbing before he follows. Those are the good guys, man. We get several of those, man. Those are the best, dude. Thank you, dude. Much love. Whew. Do I think Bitcoin's pulling a big fake out? Dude, there's no... I have no idea, okay? Because, look, man, the oscillators aren't really being good to us, telling us anything. I'd like us to run up one more time to 4,400, 45, 4,600 to make that bearish divergence, but our negative momentum is continuing to build, okay? But the volume's terrible. RSI, 42, just above bearish. There's no real... signal right now in the 4 hour giving us indication to believe we're going to the upside or downside. Okay, that's what's going on. It's nebulous. It's a little nebulous right now. Okay, the trend is bearish, very, very bearish. That's all we know right now. And I hate to be like that. Ray doesn't know, man. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna admit when my oscillators aren't telling me things. Okay, yeah. Benjamin, yeah, as long as that's you, dude. Boom. It's already done, dude. It's already done. You ask no more. What's the red line? I'll show you what the red line is. The red line is crazy, dude. This is a channel we've been in again since February. Support, support, support. Resistance, resistance, chop, resistance, support. We found support again down here. You can't even see it. There's so much in the short term. I'm sorry, it's impossible to see. When you have short term analysis, when you zoom out, it's like it's gonna be crazy down there. All right, but that is the heart line, a very well respected. It's one of the reasons why we chose our anchor points for this downtrend, for this channel, and it's never failed us. Okay, so we got up here to the top of the when we had the heart line, checked our map, the anchor points, we touched it, we bearishly engulfed on the daily, and then dumped. Okay, we rejected the breakout of the upside. We rejected this resistance here. Okay, around 65.86. All right, so what anyway. Hope that helps. Joshua Ramsey, man. Okay. Important line that other people would be like, it's just a line, man. Look, right here. Like how we bounced off before selling off more. And now then we used it as resistance. Broke down. And now we're using support, right? Support, resistance, support. Mr. Ramsey. Okay. Thanks, it's a saw, man. Appreciate that, dude. I don't know, man. Just I don't ever consider myself that. I just try to learn this stuff every day. Keep trying to invest in myself and get better, right? Read things, stay up to date, right? Damn, man, one day at a time. Well, one thing I think you should learn is psychology of trading before anything else. Psychology. Understanding that trading, 90% of it is waiting. 10% is actually trading. Okay. Phil Centura made it, dude. Oh my god, man. Oh, here we go. Been live for 2 hours now. Thanks, Mosi Nimi. Much love, dude. Okay, much love. Fib channel tool. Yes, Renee. 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay. I thought it was kings. Hello, Stunman. Stunman. Sorry, Johnny, man. Sorry, Johnny. I know that it's Friday night and you're coming in and you're a scrub. Bye-bye. No one cares about your scrubby, useless loser opinion. You are a loser. Have a good one. Give me my dislike. Give me my engagement for YouTube. Give me that dislike. Come on, dude. Give me the dislike. Dude. Give me the dislike. And bye-bye. Okay. Good people IPA, Benjamin. Zcash is the only one that went up in mining activity. Interesting. Burkus Games. Interesting. We'll be making an emoji ball of it soon. Phil, a friend of yours, asked to chart something for them today, and did it do well? Did you do okay, man? How was it? Oh boy. Zero is brown even a color? I don't think it is, man. You love it, Julia? I can't even hear it. Hey, it's a saw. Thanks for the sub on YouTube, Jesus, man. Much love, man. Much love. Welcome to the community. Hope to see you around daily, nightly, monthly, weekly, whatever. Okay. Thanks for being here, man. Much love. If you have any questions about technical analysis, of course, hit us up in this chat right here or join our Discord. If you want to keep the conversation going when this live stream inevitably goes static, join our Discord. It's the best way to get in contact with anyone in this live chat as well as me. The link is in the description below. I missed my calling. Okay, Proton Profits, man. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Jesus, man. Welcome, man. Welcome. Much love. Much love. Oh, wait. I have to drink Jesus Chums, of course. I have to drink another. 2 Jesus Chums and dip. Now 1 only. Okay, I'm out of beer. It's, okay, think about it. I'm out of beer. My second beer. We've been live for 2 hours and 1 minute now. We are at a crossroads, chat. We are at a crossroads. Do we keep the party going or is it over? Okay, what do we do? Give me your opinion, because your opinion is what makes this show. Okay, the requests, everything. Your show. All right. BSV on the 8's Eternal. Oh my god. Dude, but Johnny, man. Johnny Tsunami, man. Drop on the shoulder. Is that true, Aaron? Hey, Birds on Profits, man. Thanks for the 4 bits, man. Much love, dude. Much for. Why is it not silver? Why does it not turn white, right? I need to change that on my app. Huh. Interesting. Thanks, Birds on Profits, man. Much love, dude. Crap. I gotta drink.
Party on Garth. Party on Wayne. Party on Mitch.
Kang Logan, thanks for the 888. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna get it then. All right. Look, when the Kang speaks, it's different. Okay. No more polls. When Kang Logan says you must drink, I must drink. Okay, hold on. You know my mic. Tiger man, thanks for the 4 bits, man. Much love, dude. That'll last your lifetime, man. 4 bits, man. We'll survive the winter, dude. Well, you'll survive the summer down there, dude. And straight, just don't get any irrikanjis in your coffee, and you'll be okay, man. Okay. Let's write a long stretch. The haters gonna hate. They will. They will. Put him in a body bag, Zachary. Oh my god, I love it, dude. You're talking about Johnny Lawrence, Kang Logan. Snowman, thanks, dude. A viewer did get wrecked in chat, yes. He did. And like it's like, dude, no one wants to hear your sour grapes. I'm sorry your life sucks so bad, dude. You're so butthurt on Friday night. Man.
Hey, Mike.
Oh, Eric Kanji jellyfish. I'm in debt 2 now. Maybe 3. Yeah, 3. Because the bits, I don't know, man, dude. Y'all understand those bits, those the silver triangles? That's 1 cent each, okay? For Kang Logan's first, and the Irakanji now. Let it be decreed, okay? Crypto Tiger, man, we're gonna have a rave in here, aren't we? Crypto Tiger, you keep doing that, man. We'll have this going all night for $1. All night. Let's keep the party lights going. B-Slice hadn't discovered this yet. I think B-Slice will freak out if he knew that he can literally tip in cents and keep the party lights rolling, dude. Okay. Oh, crap. Wait, that doesn't count. I'm not doing 4 cent sips, man. No way, dude. Because Twitch takes like 20% of that. 30% or something. We need $800 Bitcoin for people to get interested again. Probably Eternal. Probably. Mr. Hamdi, dude. You have an open position 2780. Says 80x. 40%. Holy crap. You're up 40% and you're thinking about letting it ride in crypto. Dude, you are in a bear trend. Dude, oh my God, please. I'm not telling you what to do. It would be wise, Mr. Hamdi, if you took profit, okay? It would be wise, very wise, to take profit. Or at least move one would want to move their stop loss up on ADX, and I'll tell you why right now. Holy crap, man, dude. This is like Verge. Verge did almost the identical thing here, okay? Verge, same thing, no real reason. We have bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence, pop the upside like this. Verge went down 15% the next day after a run like this, okay? You're already losing stupid amounts of profit. Hey, Mr. Hamdi, this is nothing. This is like part and parcel of crypto where you get lucky, okay? You get lucky on this bump, this pump, and this will sell off tremendously, okay, in time. This is not something that is sustainable. This will dump and bleed out, okay, every time. This is a bear trend. Bear trend. The trend is not your friend right now, okay? You're at that 70% trend line of the equidistant channel. Downtrend, not an uptrend, okay? I'm just saying. Stop loss moved up or taking profit. Very prudent decision in this situation. I can't even believe you got in on it. I can't believe you got 40% profit. Congratulations, Mr. Hamdi, man. Congratulations. Hold on to 40% profit because it's not easy to get that. All right? And I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm saying one would want to if they were wise on being kings. That's it. Whew. Tip me in XRP drops indefinitely and drink indefinitely. What? Scissors. What are you talking about? What are you talking about on XRP tips, man? Why is it so quiet on my end, but it's very loud on your end? It's so loud on y'all's end. It's good now. I mean, it's good on y'all's side. It's just so quiet. I don't have to be up like 50% plus on my audio. Hold on. What is it that does that? So weird. Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, Oliver Smith. I freaking love Oliver Smith, man. There we go. That makes sense. It was turned down on my actual Bose manual shifter. Okay. Strawberry mimosas. I didn't know there were mimosas at that point. That was orange juice, right? Financial advice, Julius. What happened to Bzz Apps? Y'all remember him? I remember him. Super loud. Looks like everyone's really trying to get me messed up, dude. Full beer. Live 2 hours, 12 minutes. If you enjoyed this live stream, hit that like button, the bell, that stuff. If you enjoyed the education, the analyses, the profit preservation. Oh yeah, hit that like button, man. You want to see something crazy? You want to see time and time again what we see? Look at this. Just zoom it out. Boom. Back testing this area that was once a support. It's now used as resistance again. All right. Mr. Hamdi, dude, please, for the love of God, take the profit. One would want to take profit if they wanted to preserve their profit, because this won't last, because this market is bearish. And ADX, I'm sorry to say, man, is a scrub. just like all the other scrub loser coins that exist on this market. And don't be butthurt that I'm talking crap about ADX. It's nothing against you. It's just against crypto itself in the phase we're in of this market, which is infantile and very, very immature. All right. It's ADX. No one cares about ADX. ADX, man. Come on, dude. It's ADX, man. We're going to overtake Bitcoin, man. Yeah, dude. Totally. This Beanie Baby has the power of growing his fingernails out, right? Whoa, dude. Super awesome, man. What's up, Bad Bunny Mitch, man? Good to see you again. What's a XGV, Bad Bunny? I don't know that, man. I think it was down 15% or something today. Hey, Billy Langford, man. Are you ready for Texas at 11 a.m. your time, my time? Are you ready? You gonna wake up, Billy, man, and watch this game? The game that will make us legends and kings. Texas plus 18. Come on, man. You think Kyler Murray's gonna beat that spread, that crazy 3-game teaser spread? I don't know, man. It's gonna be tough, dude. Dude, if like Texas gets up like 1 touchdown early in the game, it's like I'm gonna be up like, what is that? 25 points, 25-0 if Texas scores first. 25-0 on my bet. Oh my god. That's why I love taking dogs sometimes, man. Boom. Pablo, man. Euro to Canadian dollar. Short it. Nice call. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on, dude. Trust the TA, man. Let it flow through your veins, Pablo. Let it engulf your life. Or your, for charts anyway. Whatever, some Jedi stuff. Whatever, man. Exactly, Kinglet. One would not want to wear a condom if they did not want to get one pregnant, right? One would not want to, King Logan. This is not sexual advice. What's up, Vincent, man? Glad you made it. Also, everyone keeps saying my advice is to... Did I say that or something, man? Did I say that? My God. Aramis is true, man. Look at waves, making waves. Yeah, it's because of the Alaska tsunami warning, probably. Don't get butt hurt. Butt hurt what? What do you mean, Emma? You didn't use 2 T's, so you're saying you're using it as an interjection, right? Don't get interjection butt hurt. I don't understand. Emma, I just don't get it. Did I do wangs? Oh my god, Julia. Don't make me do wangs. I will literally flip this all these tables over in my room. I will flip them over if you make me do wangs, okay? What's up, Charlie Lee, man? Charlie Lee coming in with his great astute analysis. Bitcoin bottom is at 15,000. Excellent, Mr. Hampton. This thing right here is absurd. These things that happen all over the crypto market all the time dump and you lose all their value, and they go back to what they were doing before. Okay, they go back and do what they were doing. And again, one did not have to completely sell. One could have just moved the stops up. And in case we just decided to do one of these stupid Telegram pump and dumps, you luck out, and then you can move your stop up further, as high as it goes, right? Mega coin called a scrub coin. Hey, Zero did it for me. The Mitch Ray scrub coin on waves. White paper said moon. Well, all in, Bad Bunny Mitch. Well, dude, the white paper said it. It has to be. We have to believe, man. Billy cares about ADX, man. Oh my god, Billy, man. ADX is gonna change the world. You just don't get it, okay? You don't get it, man. Get Retcoin, gotta make gains. 2019. Lots of volatility after the G20. Probably, yeah. It depends on the outcome. How did were the deals struck with Trump and President of China, the mafia in China? John Legend coming in just saying LOL. We getting lots of love, man. League of Legends, what you doing, man? What's your angle, dude, on your LOLs? Okay. I don't know, man. Watch your lady cycle. Don't. Wow. Wow. Emma says, poor grammar side. I got you, Emma. I got you. It's too fun. Okay, it's too fun, Emma. All right. Kang Wangs, Benjamin. Kang Wangs. The ETF got canceled, Mike Welsh, man. Did it get canceled, man? You gotta be kidding me. Are the colors not changing? What do you mean, King Logan? What do you mean, dude? How's that Dogecoin chart looking? Oh, God. I don't know, man. It's probably doing things. I broke out of the Down 7 channel. Huh. You want to see some Dogecoin? Some win moon, win mini moons, win butt. Butts for show. You broke out, man. You broke out. You back tested. You're still out. Bull pull, bull flag, maybe, man? Maybe. Big maybe, yeah. Alright. So we broke out, man, right? It's like we had it, and then we like broke out, but positive momentum's building. Bull flag combination. If we were to be look, we hit the 236, man. We said if this was the bottom, this truly was the bottom. They were dim nodes. You're respecting one, but our common retrace in for Doge would be between the 382 and the 618. All right, that is your common retrace. What do you want from me, man? That's how it works. Over and over and over. Yeah, unfortunately, Susie Q&A, it sucks. George H.W. Bush has passed. If you don't know this, now you know. Sucks. What?
Will you take a gander at LTC?
Welcome, my Jilla, man. Thanks for the $10, man. You did, man. At a cryptocurrency contribution, man. I gotta get that up, man. Hold on a sec. Dude, it is very hit and miss. Hold on, watch the jar is gonna freak out. Give me a sec. Gonna freak out. Just hold tight. Here it comes. Okay. Thanks for the Bitcoin Cash. Wow, my jello, man. Thanks, dude. Much love. Yeah, dude. Litecoin. I have to clean up a little bit. I'm about to go to the bathroom again. I already broke the seal earlier, so I'm up, baby. Here's your Litecoin. Scrub, man. Scrub. It's been a scrub. It's been a scrub all year, okay? Alright, so all these supports below you. So many, but not really. Get all these supports, right? 22, 15, 12, 6. You don't have much further to fall, okay? This is all you got left, okay? You're holding on, but barely. And it's the lowest low of the year. You're retracing. Who cares, man? This thing is a dumpster fire. Chat, please. If you care, if you're asking about Litecoin, because you want to go long on it. What reason is there to believe we're going to be kangs? The 4 hour, hey man. Low, lower, low, lowest low. Triple MACD, class A. Bullish divergence. Low, lower, low, lowest low. Triple RSI. Bullish divergence. Coinciding variables. Holy crap. Easing up little channel we were in, right? Beautiful little channel. We broke it, man. We broke it and we fib it. Swing out, swing low. We do. We crapped out right around the 236. We hit it right around it, and then we broke down. We're below it again. Pathetic, dude. Pathetic, bearish price action. I mean, whatever, man. Okay. Every time you make a low, you make a lower low. Every time you make a high, it's a lower high in your previous high. You make lower lows, right? Over and over and over. Our target it's been $23. We're waiting on $23 to get there. We're just waiting. After that, after $23, $20. After that, $15, $16. After that, $12, $38, and after that, $6. Hey man, I'll trade you. Dude, I had a bet with a guy named Mike Cesaroni. He like streamed for a little bit. I don't know what happened to him. He's like gone now, but like he's like off the map, off the grid. But like he was like, dude, I bet you one Litecoin. I bet you one Litecoin. By the time December rolls around, you'll have 4,000 to 6,000 views per stream. I'm like, okay, I'll take your bet. I'll take your bet. I'm gonna win the bet, and he's gonna owe me probably $20. At the time when he made the bet, though, I think we were at like $70, $80, okay, up here somewhere. So it's just kind of funny. He knew what was going on. He knew where it was going to be $20 Litecoin. I got you baited, dude. Anyway. Oh, the color got broken. Did it? Anyone chat? I'll restart it. Okay. Restarting. 3, 2, 1. Done. We're good. Anyway. Thanks, MFB. You're awesome too. So right back freaking at you, okay? Who gave the BCH? That was Wobble My Jello. Wobble My Jello. Or something. What's up with Wavecoin, Richard Tasker? Oh my god. Why are you exclaiming, man? It's okay. It's just having a move up. People are buying it. You care about Litecoin too, Billy Man? Well, you care about Litecoin at $100, $200, $300, $400? Or do you care about Litecoin at $6? I'm just gonna do chat, okay? Yes, Emma B, it was I Wobble My Jello. It was him. Where's Prodigal Taurus? He messaged me today. He's back. He's training some scrubs in South Texas, and he'll be more, involved soon. Next 2 weeks. Mike Pepperoni got wrecked, so he cut. He is hiding out in Venezuela. Oh yeah, he lost the bet, even though he's only gonna owe me $6 in the end of it, Logan. No one wants to mess with your pet, Irakanji. I don't either, Phil, man. Please don't make me mess with your pet. Irakanji did. Alright. Give me a sec. I just wrote down something weird. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. So I'm going to run in the bathroom. Thanks for the 173 people here. We're just looking at charts, doing things, okay? Litecoin, this dumpster fire, an abysmal chart for the year 2018. Give me a break. I'm gonna turn things up a little bit. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights. Oops. The sights and the sounds of the technical analysis. Remember to hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I'll be right back. Listen to WRAY radio. We shall pause for station identification. Hold tight. crap, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's December 1st. This is actually the absolute best day to join the Patreon. If you want to support this stream, you want to see me come back every day, twice a day for the most part, and provide you with content of streaming, with technical analysis, education, fun, love, laughs, cries, everything. The best way to support me is that Patreon. It supports me and the team that makes it possible, and couldn't do without them, and I can't do without you, right? So you get the amenities involved with supporting me, the trade setups, the education, and the exclusivity of Discord. Excuse me, I kind of butchered that. Exclusivity of Discord. All right, so check out our Patreon. You can clearly see right here, right at patreon.com/LordRay. If you want to show your support and keep this thing rolling every day. All right, I need you. Thanks. Okay, so again, it's the first of the month. I don't push until we're like early in the month, okay? Because the late parts of the month, there's no point. You're not getting the value. The value is pristine right now. We're only like an hour in or 30 minutes in on my side to the month. December 1st. I can't even believe it, dude. All right, in honor of December 1st, you know what we got to do, right? It's snowing, man. It's snowing, dude. Clouds rolling too.
Live TA with Mitre. Cobra Kai of the RSI. You know him, you love him, and you want more of him. Live from the XRP studios in downtown Greenbow, Alabama.
Greenbow, Alabama. Billy man.
Sup, Mom?
Hey, Eddie Petit, man. Dude. Eddie Bennett, man.
Is that a joint?
Tell me, man. Tell me true in chat. I'm sorry. There's Petit and Bennett, and then there's some other one that I remember that was also rhymed. Okay, so it's hard. It's hard, man. That's what she said. Oh, it feels so good. Thanks so much, y'all. Y'all amazing. Whew. Okay. Thanks, Michael M, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Okay. You're not giving sexual advice. Exactly, man. Not financial nor sexual advice in this chat, okay? Princess Riley. You may have had too much drink. You think I'm looking so hot tonight. Okay, Princess Riley. Okay. Alright, Laker, man. Have a good one, dude. Have a freaking good one. Horrible sucking eggs or something. Swing high to swing low, 38% retrace, reverse our price action to the downside. Very unfortunate, right? Unfortunately, we got a rising wedge, potential rising wedge, could be invalidated because there's not 5 touch points. There were only 4 when we did break, unfortunately. Sucks. But Tim Robbins earlier in the day stream said, hey, Ray, man, could that also be a channel? And it's like, hey, Tim, you're actually, yeah, absolutely, man. We plotted 1 and 2, same one. Same one. Exact same thing. Same anchor point on the bottom side as our wedge. And you can clearly see that 34.7 cents is our bottom of our channel. See, the channel holds, but either way, the wedge breakout, measure move down 30 cents. Sucks. Oh man, my neck hurts. Snow reminds you of Alaska. Yes, yes indeed. Earthquakes remind me of Alaska. Do I accurately, or what you would say, Richard Tasker, acutely think? I don't know what ukulele think, $6. Why would I think? Support resistance. There's very little support. $23 is your next support. $20, $15. You got about 3 supports that aren't very, very strong. And then you got like a $67 support. After that, Richard, it's all about support resistance. Look left when in doubt, okay? You missed the snow, Zedman? Me too. I wish it would snow here again. Okay, I miss it. How do you make a channel on Trading View Depends, Kool-Aid Kangs? You do this. Here you go, Kool-Aid Kangs. Parallel channel. Parallel channel, man. Anchor point 1, 2, and 3. You have to have 2 touch points on the top side, 1 on the bottom. You have 3 anchor points. You have to have 3 if it is the bottom or top. 3. That's it. You want the heart line right there, double click, middle. But heart line's important. You never want to have a channel, I think, without the heart line. Always have the heart line. But there you go. Get wrecked. Okay, get freaking wrecked with information and knowledge in the stream over and over and over. Okay. What's up, XRP Roshi, man? What's up, Bill Battles, man? Snow like crazy in Arizona. What? Did heck freeze over? William Battles, man, or Bill Battles? I guess I'll just drink this beer. Nice drinking game. Nice drinking game. Wrecked. Tequila and prune juice, man. Oh my god, man. Ooh, hold on. I'm gonna do something real quick. And you're just gonna have to deal with it, man. Been on 2 hours and 40 minutes, okay? You understand that? So let me take that off. Give me a second, y'all, okay? I really like that one. It's nice. Ooh. Not bad. Where is one that's just conventional? I need a conventional thing. You'll know what thing I'm talking about once I find it, y'all, okay? Ghetto. That one's ghetto. Really? Oh, it's so annoying. Wish I had fiber so bad. This will be so good for if I had fiber. Dang. Come on. on, baby. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're in business now. We're in business now, chat. In business now. Oh my god, we're in such business. Give me a second, okay? Huh. Ooh, I like that one. That one's not bad. Oh my god. Screwed, I guess I'm screwed, man. Alright, I'm gonna use that one up there. I like this one, dude. It's coming, dude. It's coming. Alright. I'm digging that one too, though. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. There. Okay, got it. I'm gonna save this real quick, and I'm gonna implement it into the stream. Just hang tight. Are we coolio? Whoa, where does it go, man? There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Oh man, it looks so crappy though. Oh, I know what to do though. Then if that's the case, oh no, don't do that, whatever that is, man. Shrink it and make it a little better, man. It's okay. Alright, so now we're a little bit more festive, a little bit more Christmassy, man. Merry Christmas, man. It's the 1st of December. We did it. Oh my god. But maybe we could do it like this. That's not what I wanted. Kind of wanted it like that. See how this looks, okay? Oh, that looks terrible. That's not bad, right? Chat? Feedback? Terrible, good, bad, ugly. Let me know. Thanks. Thanks, MK, man. I'm glad you like the. Hey, MK, dude, were you here at the beginning? If you were not here at the beginning of the show, I was disappointed I didn't see you because you need to rewind to the very beginning and watch the intro. MK, I'm talking to you, man. That's it, dude. That's all I can tell you. Alright, almost 3 hours been live, right? 3 hours. I'm gonna try it, Billy Langford. It is a fake printout. 10 seconds. No, I'm Gail. Let's get the Christmas lights set up, man. Come on, Dad. We can make this a little more festive too, man. What's up? I mean, it's a little bit more festive, man. Hold on. There's just so much we can do, man. All right, you understand? There's so much. You'll understand. Have to understand that this is like the best time. The best time for being kings for the Christmas season, man. All right. Let me try this too. Okay, we're just messing around here. It really doesn't matter. Okay. I'm messing around because it's so late. No one even cares anymore what I do. Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be tough, man. It's gonna be tough. Let me edit this transform real quick. Let me see what I can do here. Size 43. Oh! Huh. Oh my god! Ladies and gentlemen, Merry Christmas or something, man. Merry Christmas. We did it. We edited the transform, and we became kings, man. The broadcasting champs. That's what we're doing, man. We're being broadcasting champs. And what I could do is I could actually flip this counterclockwise, flip it vertically, and we could overwhelm the chat box or the stuff around the chat box. We could do this, man. We could do it, man. Hello. Merry Christmas, man. Merry Christmas. Natto, Billy, man. I don't know Natto. Natto Light. Real battles, roll tide, man. Yeah, it did, Bradford, man. It did, man. It did. MK 11 chins. Oh my god, I'm so behind shit. Nice cover, Crypto, man. Did I say nudie magazines? Yeah, absolutely. What is that, Sloth, man? Looks like a UFC fight or something weird. Oh my god. Michael M cares. He cares, man. This is a party, man. William, man, it's a party. You live in the lights, man. XRP Russia, excellent, man. As long as you like it, we're good, dude. So Eric W, Eric Whitehead. Francisco, one Bitcoin should provide us the American dream. Let's do it, dude. Let's be kings. More GPU, more things. Phil, exactly, dude. Exactly. More things. I was about to say DJ, MK. MK, did you rewind yet? Have you seen it, dude? The Festivus airing of grievances shall commence. William Battles, man. Seinfeld the Kings. Alright, we did it. We made it through chat, man. What do you want from me? What do you want? Thanks for the 140 people still tuning into Twitch and YouTube. Seems as though 1 hour and 8 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. Ripple is bearishly engulfing. Not good. Not good. Okay. So drink one, I drink a gallon of milk and Nutella, Billy, man. Because I gotta get up in the morning, man, and watch Texas Longhorns cover 18 points. Preferably Billy, I guess. Dude, I don't know, man. What happens if Oklahoma loses? Who's going? If Oklahoma loses, is it gonna be like UCF? That would be hilarious. Okay, this isn't basketball. I did not send you to go-kart camp. Did Mike Lamb say something wrong? Probably not. What? Did he? You tell me, man. Don't think we're going to see a true bottom before year end or after Boggs, man. That's speculative, Paul Wall. Unfortunately, I don't have the answer for that. Good thing you know about me. I'm always going to tell you I don't know versus lying, pulling someone out of my butt. I'll tell you, I don't think the selling's done at all. I don't think we've found a bottom. I think the selling will commence at some point soon. Okay. He was placed in timeout by admin, was he? Ooh. Mary Pagan Holiday? I don't know. I can't put someone not in timeout, right? I don't know. So, Mr. Notre-Dame, good to see you again, dude. My love. Hey, Jordan Miller, yep, still alive, still alive. 3 hours. 3 hours, man. Been live. Ooh, good Christmas lights here. I like these, man. Good festive lights. I think we're gonna also do, maybe. I don't know, man. This might be too much, and you might hate me. Oh, I like this, dude. Holy crap. This is awesome. That tree looks so good. Can't tell me there are any better trees than that one. No way. I'm gonna stick with that one. Boom. It's not gonna get in the way. Okay, it's not in anyone's way. It's just a Christmas tree, man. Okay, I'm not taking my American flag away. You're not gonna stop me from having my American flag. This is the only place I can put it. The Christmas tree, just snug down, bottom right. Okay, man. That's it, dude. That's literally it. Okay, Merry Christmas, Kanks. Awesome. Okay. That's right, MK, man. I did it, man. I did it. It was such a nostalgic night, man. I feel like you're the only one left, man. I was like, hey, remember the days of... You should watch the beginning, dude, because I was talking about back in April. Remember those days, man? Playing Synthwave all the time. Seriously, man. Billy, Ohio State. What about Ohio State? Northwestern's gonna whoop them, dude. Kappa. Of course, Kappa. I said, I don't know, like Jeff Spicoli, Billy Man. Spicoli, gabagoo. Where's my gabagoo, Billy Man? Yeah, Don, I kind of like what you're saying, man. Let's just leave it alone, man. Plus, all the red and green candles, it's almost like Christmas, is it not, man? It's like Christmas, man. Oh yeah, now time for your local. Well, 30 seconds, okay? Mr. Notre-Dame, 30 seconds, okay? Yeah, Mr. Noodle. Yep, George H.W. Bush has passed. It is it sucks, man. Anytime the president does, man, it's very crappy, dude. No, Jordan, I do not trade for a living. Trading was always a hobby. It was always side money. I made lots of money on the side. Okay, well, I had a career, and that's the beauty of swing trading, and that's the whole thing with this show. Okay, it's a side thing. But it was always something like, hey man, what do you like? What's your hobby? Jordan Miller, what's your hobby, dude? What do you like to do for, like, you know, for fun on the weekends or when you get home from work? What do you do, Jordan Miller? Because, like, what I fell in love with was candles, charts, technical analysis. I fell in love with it, man, for years. Okay. Music lineup's getting better, man. MK, man. Soon I will be implementing that bot that will let you see the music in the song's names. Okay, soon, man. Mitch Korn, yep, Mitch Korn. TA with Mitch Korn, all ended. Mitch Bacoli. Oh my god. Days on tour, man. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate the kind words, dude. Very, very cool, dude. It's always good to hearing people give feedback, alright, because I don't get really enough. I mean, I get feedback, but, you know, people that come in, they're lurking and stuff, I don't know, you know, so. There, yeah, exactly. Swing trading to day trading. I love swing trading because I can actually have a life and do things on the side. Well, stick around, Days on Tour, man. Stick around, man. We'll keep learning together, keep growing together. Yes, of course I played poker, Mr. Noto. Of course, absolutely. Of course, love poker. Huh? Love poker. Pot odds, man. Who's on the button? What's the motive for the bet? Right. Okay, Bitcoin doing nothing. Nothing's changed at all. Range bound between 3860 and 4000 for 24 hours roughly at this point. Okay. Well, days on, excellent, man. Excellent. Glad to taking it in, man. Benito coin 2019, dude, all in. Benito coin's gonna be the coin of 2019, King. Like, you just don't understand that. You don't understand. Play some money. I don't know, man. I might be getting out of here in a second, just cause. Well, it's 3 hours in to a stream. Okay. All right, Bitcoin. Don't break 3852. Don't break this down subbing support. The heart line of the equidistant channel. Very important. Don't break it or you're screwed. 3838. Don't break it. All right. Well, it's been fun, y'all. It's been a lot of fun tonight, okay? I love y'all, seriously. Thanks so much for the love, support, contributions, new subs, old subs, everything, okay? Follows on Twitch, subs on Twitch, everything, alright? Slav, that's what it's all about, man. Because I did not come from crypto, man. Slav, I came from traditional markets, alright? So, I'll be back tomorrow, y'all, alright? At some point, I don't know when. I'm not going to be streaming when Bama's playing the SEC title game. Sorry, but I'll be back maybe tomorrow night. I don't know. Thank y'all again. Until next time. Respect the T.